Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Lawmakers to probe 165 billion naira budget spending under Aregbesola ministry. The House of Representatives on Wednesday unveiled plans to investigate the utilization of the 165 billion appropriated for the Nigeria Correctional Service (NCS) over the past 2 years. The NCS operates under Interior Ministers and former Osun Governor Rauf Aregbesola, who recently declared war on former ally and All Progressive National Congress APC leader Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The reps are led by Speaker Femi Gbajabiamila, who reportedly remains loyal to Tinubu, a 2023 presidential hopeful. It remains unclear if the proposed probe is linked to that political war. The resolution, according to News Agency of Nigeria (NAN), was passed sequel to the adoption of a motion on urgent national importance on the deployable state of inmates and the wholesome working conditions of officers in spite of huge budgetary allocations with attendant adverse effects on security of custodial facilities. The resolution followed a motion of urgent public importance by Ndudi Elumelu, the minority leader of the House, on the floor of the House on Wednesday in Abuja. The House resolved to mandate the Committee on Reformatory Institutions to investigate the allegations and report to the House within 12 weeks for further legislative action. In his motion, Mr. Elumelu stated that despite an increased budgetary allocation to the NCS, the working conditions of staffs and inmates' welfare had deteriorated in the last 2 years. According to him, the armed squad unit of the service still parades obsolete and substandard weapons. Staff still buys or makes their uniform to date, regardless of the huge budget allocations provided for this purpose. Provisions of uniform for inmates is non-existent in most custodial centers. There are also claims of unscrupulous staff promotion, denial of rights and benefits, including hazard and duty tour allowances leveled against the management of the service, he stated.